Is it possible that generative AI can take the place of those complex integrations, being able to overcome the...
This is a very hot topic.
That's why I brought it up.
With Satya Nadella, right?
Yeah.
I think no, not for a while. And I base that on maybe my long years of experience and millions of lines of code and seeing all these back office functions that the ERP does. And I guess kind of questioning why you would replace that whole thing. And what you could do is use AI, and they're already using in use cases that to help the customer experience, right? So you would have a co-pilot kind of situation, right? You have a customer summary, and you could say, hey, give me the sales for the last 3 months or whatever, and it can go query and create a little chart and stuff like that. Now that helps with customer experience, right? Because the salesperson can give information that is prompted by a human, right? And interpreted by a human. I think that is very helpful and could provide a lot of value. I've also seen some AI use cases, and these are real things, which would be based on pricing, optimal pricing of things that AI will recommend. Also bundling of different parts to say, if I'm a parts dealer or whatever, and I sell these two parts, well, these parts went with it, kind of like an Amazon situation, can be very helpful, right? And it might, and Thomas, we talked about this, right? It's helpful for whom? I guess it's helpful for the company because they're upselling or whatever, they're selling more, but it is also helpful to the customer. I mean, you could argue that Amazon's whole business model is doing that, right? Suggesting other things that go with these things, and that's useful for a customer. I know it improved my experience. And yes, they do sell more to me, but it improves my experience. So I think that those kinds of AI use cases are the more useful ones at this point.